I love getting new items from Amazon, and today I am unboxing a pair of Crocs. Here they come. Here they come. They're not in a branded box. This item has been repackaged in recyclable, frustration-free packaging because the original box was damaged in transit. Here we are with our Crocs, and we're going to open these babies up. And here they are. Now, these are a men's size 8, a women's size 10. And what I like about Crocs is not about style. These are not like something that you're wearing out every day all over the place. Although you could, and some people do. But what I like them for is for van lifing, for hanging around the house, just to be able to quick go in and out the door. These are really nice to slip into. As you can see, these are the classic clogs. So these have holes along the front. If you see some other different types of Crocs, you'll find some that are solid toe if you need that. Some even have a different strap on them. But this material here, it really does hold up. It's got a tiny bit of arch support in there. Well, I don't want to say like a little, it's some arch support to it, not a ton. But if you can see down through there, they actually massage your feet as you're wearing them. These also come fur lined, so you can order them that way too. But these are the black, and this is the bottom. They actually have nice good tread on them. I can test that here. So this is flooring actually, and you can't really slide on it. So I'm happy about that because that's going to give some grip. And they are very, very breathable. So it's not about style. Crocs are more about comfort, ease of use. These clean up in a jiffy. You can walk through mud puddles and everything else and just rinse them off, wipe them clean, and they last. So these are men's Crocs, classic clog.